In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scheduling to your Wix website for 2025. If you've ever wanted to streamline your booking process directly from your Wix website, you're in the right place. We'll go step by step, ensuring you have a smoothly integrated scheduling system by the end of this tutorial. First, let's begin by logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com using your web browser. Once there, log in with your credentials and select the website you want to add scheduling to. Click on Edit Site, or if you're using Wix Studio, open it up there instead. Once you're in the editor, our next step is to navigate to the Wix app market. On the left sidebar, you'll see an icon that looks like a plus sign labeled Add Apps. Click that, then use the search bar to find Wix Bookings. It's an essential app for creating a booking system, and the best part is you won't need any coding or a third-party tool. Once you found it, click on Add to Site. With Wix Bookings installed, a new bookings page and a booking widget will appear automatically on your site. Now it's time to configure your settings. Head to the Wix dashboard, find the Bookings app, and then click on Settings. This is where you'll set up the business name, description, business hours, and time zone. Make sure these details are accurate so clients can see your availability, even in their local time zones. Next, we're going to add some services to your booking system. Still in the Wix dashboard, go to Bookings, then Services, and click on plus Add New Service. Depending on your needs, choose the service type you want to offer: an appointment for one-on-one sessions, a class for group sessions, or a course for multi-session programs. Begin filling in the details such as the service name, description, duration, price, and even staff member if you have one. Don't forget to select a location, whether it's in person or through a video conferencing tool like Zoom or Google Meet. Customizing your booking preferences is also important. In Settings, under Booking Preferences, you can decide on the time intervals between appointments, how far in advance clients can book, and whether bookings need auto confirmation or manual approval. Also, define your cancellation policies here. If you're planning to charge for appointments, head to the settings again and this time go to Accept Payments. Choose from various options like Wix Payments, PayPal, Stripe, or even manual methods like cash. You can also decide whether payment needs to be made upfront or can be deferred. Now let's get that reservation system visibly integrated into your site. Return to the editor, click on Add Elements, and choose either a booking calendar or a booking button to drag onto your page. Customize it to fit the aesthetic of your site by changing the button text and adjusting colors. With everything set up, automation is key to efficient booking management. Head to the dashboard, navigate to Automations, and set triggers for email or SMS reminders when a booking is confirmed and before an appointment takes place. Customizing these messages with client-specific details can greatly enhance the user experience. Before going live, test everything. Use the preview function to simulate a booking, ensuring the available time slots show correctly, payments process smoothly, and that confirmation emails are sent properly. Once satisfied, click Publish and let your client start scheduling right away. Finally, managing your schedule is straightforward. Use the calendar view under Bookings in the dashboard to track all your appointments. You can filter by day, staff, or service, and even reschedule or cancel bookings if necessary. For seamless updates, consider syncing your Wix calendar with Google Calendar or Outlook. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Wix website will be efficiently set up to handle bookings directly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful